Hello everyone, welcome to Beauty in the Garden. I am T, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. Today we're going out into the garden and we're going to do a harvest. It's been a while, as usual, you guys. So I wanted to harvest my last of my garden that cannot take any more colds. Okay, so I did go ahead and harvest the other day my peppers, and I have to show you guys that harvest. But in today's video we are going to be harvesting out of the main garden. I want to show you the main garden as of right now. This is what the main garden is looking like. We have our beautiful cabbages. They're growing absolutely amazing. You can see some of the spring and summer plants are dying back. They're perennial, they'll come back next year. And as well, here's the other set of cabbages on the other side as well. All right, we're gonna walk our way into the main garden, and you guys see it on my left is my lettuce. A couple of them have bolted, but all in all, most of them are doing very, very well. And as well, look at this beautiful kale right here. OMG, look at that kale. That kale is doing absolutely amazing. I wish I would have planted just a little bit more next season. I'm probably gonna go ahead and plant up maybe 2 beds of it, because when I don't get my greens or something like that, I'll have these in place just like I do with the Swiss chard. But today's video is going to be me harvesting this lovely ginger here. It will not be able to take any more cold. We had a pretty strong cold snap, and let's go ahead and see what we got under this soil here. So let's go ahead and get to harvesting. Okay, so with this ginger, I think I planted my ginger around about, I would say either March, maybe even April, somewhere in there. I know it was not too late in the season. So this is as far as it's going to get before the cold completely knocks it down. And I don't want that to happen, because I don't want I don't want the cold to mess up my rhizome. So let's go ahead and see what we have. First piece right here. Yeah, look at that. So here is the old ginger right there. You guys can see a little piece there. Nice size ginger, I would think, right there. And see what I mean? That cold is knocking it down, so we're gonna take it all up. Ooh, that's a big one. Ah. Let's get a good hold on it. Ah, look at there. This is ginger. This is store-bought ginger, okay? So basically what I just did was I pre-sprouted the store-bought ginger so that I can get all these beautiful ginger here. All right, you guys can see there. Lovely ginger. Grocery store, you want to look for ginger that might have some eyes on it. If it has some eyes on it, that is the ginger that you want to purchase. See that old ginger piece there? And now I have this. Now I do have a video on how to grow ginger, how to start ginger right here. I will shoot you guys a video on exactly how I go about starting ginger if you want to start your very own. So we have a ginger harvest right here. Great deal right here, great deal. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it back, all of the greenery. All right, you guys, we are at the end of the video. My hands are freezing. It is kind of chilly out today. I'm going to leave them out and I'll take them in before it gets dark. I want them to kind of air dry. And then with the tops, I'm actually just going to go ahead and dehydrate them, and I'm going to put them into like a scent bag so I can have this beautiful tops to scent my home. But this right here, you guys, is our ginger harvest. I think it came out absolutely amazing. It was a long wait, but it was a long wait worth it. So you guys, I don't know if you ever smelled fresh ginger. It smells totally different than when you buy it, obviously, you guys, out of the store. But this is store-bought ginger that I went ahead and sprouted. So you guys, keep that in mind. If you can't get your hands on ginger offline, look into the stores and see if you can find a ginger piece that has nice eyes. Chop it up and start it. Like I said, I do have a video on how to go about starting your ginger from store-bought ginger. So all right, you guys, this is the end of my video. I hope this encouraged you guys to grow your own ginger. And like I always tell you guys, that there's beauty in everyone's garden. And bye-bye for now. Bye-bye, you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy gardening.